Hello guys, this is Luna. Today is the day I go to student residence. I'm really excited and looking forward. I have a lot of stuff. I will take all stuff by car. So I cannot wait. Let's go. This is my stuff. Oh my gosh. So just arrived at my room. And then it is really fancy. I'm really happy because it is really nice place. So I will show you guys. So there's a closet, and then table, bed, window, and some cabinet and TV. So I need to prepare my room, and then I need some clean. So let's go. I just finished preparing for my room, and then I think it's pretty well, and then the room is so large. There's a lot of spaces to carry my stuff. So here's my table. So there's electronic devices. Here's other my stuff, and then my clothes and some seaweed. And then there's my closet. There's a lot of clothing, and then TV, first floor for socks, sportswear, and then second story, towel, lotions, medication, and chili paste. And the third floor is seaweed, and then ramen, and instant curry sauce, and then finally there is a seaweed, and then there's a tuna can. So it is my room, and I'm really satisfied. My room is really fancy, and then modern, and then large, clean, and then there's a lot of spaces, and then they also give me a large TV, and then there's a big window on the two sides. So I'm really happy. This is all for today. Bye for now.